had to get you out.
What have you done?
What I had to. You were the only one who ever believed in me. Do you still believe in me? I love you, Jim. Never forget it.
We're done. Fate ain't written, Artanis. Way I see it, if Zeratul believed you could make a difference in all this, then this fight's just begun.
Artanis, wait. I am not your enemy. I have come seeking the Zelnaga.
All shall.
These moments together, they will always be with me.
Darling,
We have to go now, Jim.
BattleNet is a lot shinier than it used to be.
Heroes, adventurers, oddities. Looks like they've all made it to the Nexus. Little bit heavy on the oddities.
I love this glove's power. It's so bad.
Just imagine the terror we could unleash together.
You seek power. I seek essence. We work together.